50 plus Korean words for the winter season. Winter,
겨울,
season,
계절,
winter season,
겨울철,
snow,
눈,
first snow,
첫눈,
snowman,
눈사람,
snowflake,
눈송이,
snowball,
눈덩이,
snowball fight,
눈싸움,
December,
12월,
January,
1월,
February,
2월,
weather forecast,
일기예보,
ice,
얼음,
frost,
서리,
icicle,
고드름,
heavy snow,
폭설,
snowstorm, blizzard,
눈보라,
below zero, minus,
영하,
to be cold,
춥다,
to be chilly,
쌀쌀하다,
to freeze,
얼다,
to be warm,
따뜻하다,
common cold,
감기,
cold medicine,
감기약,
Christmas,
크리스마스,
Santa Claus,
산타 할아버지,
North Pole,
북극,
reindeer,
술록,
Christmas tree,
크리스마스 트리,
Christmas carol,
크리스마스 캐럴,
Christmas decoration,
크리스마스 장식,
Christmas party,
크리스마스 파티,
Christmas stocking,
크리스마스 양말,
gift present,
선물,
fireplace,
벽난로,
family,
가족,
relatives,
친척,
hometown,
고향,
story, tale.
이야기,
Old days, past.
옛날,
Winter solstice,
동지,
red bean porridge.
팥죽,
End of the year,
연말,
Lunar New Year,
설날,
New Year's bow,
세배,
New Year's money,
세뱃돈,
padded jacket,
패딩,
long padded jacket,
롱패딩,
padded vest,
패딩 조끼,
coat,
코트,
hat,
모자,
earmuffs,
귀마개,
scarf, muffler,
목도리,
sweater,
스웨터,
gloves,
장갑,
boots,
부츠,